Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have decided to be more active on my YouTube because all these days I used to be not active. पर मैंने अभी डिसाइड किया कि मैं अभी अपने YouTube चैनल पे और ध्यान दूंगी. I want to grow more. So yeah, आज मैं जा रही हूँ मूवी देखने के लिए. So come with me. So before leaving for the movie, I had to go to the parlor because it's been so many days and I need to make my brows. So to make my brows, I am going to the parlor and from there I'll ask Mishu to come and pick me from the parlor and from there I'll go to see the movie. And my hair, I'm getting a free blow dry in the autos. My hair are getting ruined. This is before getting my eyebrows done and this is after getting my eyebrows done. So pretty. Okay, so Vishu and I are planning to go for a movie, but for the movie we'll have to wait 1.5 hours. And right now I'm so hungry. We have come to Nandu Dosa and I'll eat dosa. Oh, my dosa is also here. So after eating my dosa, I am gonna go to Desert Therapy, have some pancake, and after that I'll go for a movie. So I can't wait. I'm going to eat. So we have come to Desert Therapy. We have some pancake, and this Desert I'll show you the ambience. So good morning everyone. It's 8:15 a.m. in the morning. So yesterday after eating dosa, we went to Desert Therapy to have some dessert. We had some pancake and my phone went off so I couldn't vlog. And then we went to see this movie, beautiful movie called Malegaon Boys. It was so amazing. I had a great time and after that I felt sick again. Whole night I have not slept for a minute also because I could not breathe from my nose due to sinus, and I think the worst night of my life this was, because imagine not being able to breathe is the most difficult thing. So yeah, it's early in the morning. I'm on my way to the doctor because I don't know, it's kind of weird for me and I hate being sick and I have to rush to the doctor because I so want to sleep. I'm too sleepy, but yet I'm sick. So yeah, making sure that I get well. I'm scared to even go to the doctor auntie because she's gonna get mad at me because she'll be like, okay, I have just given you. So recently I have gotten vaccination of some immunity booster. It is called antiviral vaccine that I've gotten for my immunity, but I don't know what's happening. So now let's see what my doctor auntie says. And the doctor auntie's clinic is literally 5 minutes walk from my house, and usually I always take an auto, but today I've decided no matter what I am sick or whatever the excuses is, I will go by walk. So I'm walking, and the worst part is the whole night I was just breathing from my mouth and I could not breathe from my nose, and now also like it is so difficult for me to talk because I'm breathing from my mouth. So stay tuned, let's see how my day goes. I just don't want to feel sick anymore. It is so tiring and sad and boring. I want my happening life back. I don't like being sick. I can't be at low energy because I'm not a girl with low energy. Okay, so I got my medicine from my doctor auntie, and literally I am recording from the hand on which I have got an injection, and yeah, I've been told to take rest, gotten antibiotics. I hope I get to sleep. This is all what I want. And we found out because of my sinus, my nostrils are blocked. So I'm gonna take rest, and maybe I'm not being able to record properly because my hand is paining a lot. So I will get back to you guys in some time after waking up. Okay, so right now I'm at home. I've taken my nasal spray. and touch wood, it is so good. I can literally breathe now. And mom is making the breakfast, and in half an hour I'll take the other medicine and then I'll sleep for some time. I'm feeling so much better. I'm so dumb. I should have just used this Otrivin before only. I was using some spray called saline spray in the night, and it was not helping me at all. And I was like, okay, I called up some other doctor. He told me to go to the hospital, take the nebulizer, but whole night I suffered. I did not go for the nebulizer because I think it's too much for me, and didn't know that this small little thing will help me like anything. Literally breathing like a normal human now. The whole night I was literally feeling like, am I gonna die? Is this the last minutes of my life? Because imagine not being able to breathe is so bad. But yeah, this little thing is helping me a lot. And I'll take the medications also. This is, I don't know, so many thoughts came in my mind. Is it this, that? You know how negative you become when you are sick. And I literally googled every possibility why this is happening, but it is just my sinus. Okay guys, so I slept for nearly 5 to 6 hours. I feel so fresh and good right now, and the medicine did work for me. And my doctor at the touchwood, God bless her, she's so good. Her medicine always works for me, and I'm hoping to get well soon. And if you've watched this vlog till here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will start making more vlogs from now.